This is the AJAZZ AKL680 low-profile wireless mechanical keyboard. It is a compact, ultra-thin, lightweight and portable keyboard with a 68% layout in a plastic casing. It runs on two AAA batteries with up to 6 months of usage, has rubberized feet with 3 levels of height adjustments, and supports dual mode connection with Bluetooth 5.0 or a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle for Windows OS and Mac OS. These switches are the Huano Brown switches with a combination of clicky and linear. This is what it sounds like. After the typing test, I would say that it's not that bad a keyboard. I got it for $16.99 off Amazon. If you are looking for like a budget low profile keyboard but don't want to break the bank just yet, it is worth checking out if you're on a budget, but there are better out there. Anyways, take care everyone. Bye.